Welcome back to Mason Capital. Today, we're going to be talking about how you could get started with your GameStop Ethereum wallet. So, let's get into the video. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to wallet.gamestop.com. And then from here, you can see it says GameStop Wallet Beta. And you want to go ahead and click Download Now. Now, this is primarily for Chrome. Unfortunately, right now they do not have a mobile wallet. As you can see, it says they have iOS app coming soon. But right now, we're going to go ahead and download this for Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and add the extension. And now it's added. Let's go back. Now we can go ahead and go to the extension. So now you guys can see here it says create new wallet or recover wallet. So for now we're gonna use the example as if you were a new user to crypto. And let's go ahead and create a new wallet. So right now it's just saying that this is a self-custody wallet. So you are responsible for any of the funds that are in the wallet and as well as the transactions that you approve. Now we're going to go ahead and accept the terms and conditions, and I will not share my analytics. So we're going to go ahead and click create my wallet. Now you're going to get your secret recovery phase, and this is a phase where if you wanted to recover your wallet on, let's say, another laptop or computer, you can do that. You would just have to take that recovery phase and put it back into one of these wallets, whether it be GameStop or MetaMask or any type of wallet that you prefer to use. You can go ahead and recover your wallet that has the funds that are in this wallet. So what you should do now is you should write it down, keep it on a piece of paper, and do not keep it on your desktop, and keep it in a safe and hidden place, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now you're going to click I save my secret recovery phrase, and then go ahead and make your password. All right, so now our wallet is ready to go. So now we can go ahead and use the wallet. Now, if you've never used a wallet before for crypto or anything like that, specifically for Ethereum, then you're going to want to, you could make this your default wallet. However, it's still in the beta. So just make sure you understand that because you do not want to lose any funds. So let's go ahead. I'm personally not going to do this, but if this is your first wallet and you're testing it out with small amounts of funds, then that's acceptable. So let's go ahead and do that. Click next. So as you guys could see here, it says this wallet supports Ethereum, the mainnet. So that this is where the majority of Ethereum transactions take place. And then they also have Loopring, which is a layer 2, so it's quicker and cheaper. However, not many applications and users have actually migrated to Loopring yet. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and use the Ethereum layer 1 wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click next. So as you can see, the first blockchain that they automatically assign your wallet to is Loopring, and as you can see we have no funds on it right now. Now you could deposit funds if you would like to, but if you're a new user and you want to get funds onto your wallet, you're gonna have to use Ethereum, the mainnet Ethereum wallet. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this wallet to Ethereum layer 1. All right, so now you can see we have nothing in this Ethereum wallet, and we can go ahead and move funds. As you can see here, we can move from Ethereum layer 1 to layer 2. We can receive funds. So if you wanted to receive funds from, let's say, FTX or Coinbase or Voyager, these type of exchanges, which you would need to fund your wallet with Ethereum. So we're gonna go ahead and go back into the wallet and see what we could do. So we could send money or Ethereum out of this wallet. However, unfortunately, we do not have any Ethereum right now. So let's go back to the wallet. Now we can go to the NFT section. Now, obviously, you're not going to have NFTs yet, but the fact that they actually support NFTs, like where it'll be displayed in your wallet, that's actually very helpful, especially for new users who aren't able to actually go ahead and go on OpenSea and see all their NFTs. So that is very helpful. So now let's go to the swap feature. Now the swap feature, as you can see, you can switch from any asset you want. So let's say we have USDC. Let's say we have $100 and we want to convert it to Ethereum. So our $100 from Ethereum would convert into this much of Ethereum. Sorry, USDC. So we're going to convert USDC to Ethereum. And so we'd get about 0.05 Ethereum for $100. Now, one thing to note is GameStop actually charges a fee for when you do these swaps. And that's just the fee for GameStop. And this actually isn't surprising because if you are using this swap feature, it's similar to MetaMask, which is another wallet company, and they take about the same amount of fees, which is about 0.8%. Now, the reason why this is because it's so convenient. You don't have to go to another website like Uniswap or SushiSwap or any type of router or aggregator to switch, USDC to Ethereum. You could do that all directly from your wallet, which is very helpful, especially if you're new and you don't want to deal with any of that. So just make sure that you understand that you will have to pay a fee for that. So let's go ahead and click on activity. So as you can see, we're not going to have any activity. We're going to have our Ethereum wallet up here. And we can see the address over here. We can click add account. You can add another wallet if you'd like. It's up to you. You can import another wallet. So if you wanted to use a private key, you could do that. You could type in a secret recovery phrase if you would like. You can also lock the wallet. So if you wanted to log out and make sure your browser is secured, you could do that. You could connect a hardware wallet, which is, personally in my opinion, is very necessary, especially if you're doing transactions on Ethereum. You want to have a hardware wallet, especially if you have like $500 worth of crypto, because you do not want anything happening to your wallet without you actually physically accepting any type of transaction or denying that transaction. So let's go ahead and go to settings now. So they give you the option to change the network. Obviously, you wouldn't be using the test net. You would be using the main net. Hopefully in the future, they will add the option to add additional networks like Arbitrum and Optimism. You can change your password on the screen. You can see the apps that you're connected to with your wallet. You can add a custom token. So let's say, for example, you withdrew your USDC from your um, Coinbase address or exchange, and you withdrew that to your Ethereum address on your GameStop wallet. You can go ahead and add that token in. You can export your account. So whatever the secret phrase is for this wallet, you can export that into whatever document, and then you can go ahead and write that down and save that. And then you can do the same thing as well with your private key. And then you have the option to share your analytics or make it your default browser extension. Overall, I would say this is a pretty decent wallet. It's very similar to MetaMask. Um, I mean, the the fact that they have Loopring as the main layer 2, I mean that's pretty helpful, but there are other options for layer 2s, and especially if you're funding your account, I would recommend signing up with FTX, and I will have a link down below so that you could get started, because FTX, they allow you to withdraw from FTX, especially if you're in the US, to Arbitrum. Now, the benefit of that is, sure, Loopring, which is a layer 2, is cheap, but if you're using Arbitrum, the transaction fees are very, very cheap. It's almost like 20 cents right now to do a transaction. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys FTX right now. As you guys can see, we're on FTX right now. And you can go ahead and purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and any of these tokens. But what we're focused on right now is Ethereum. So you can go ahead and convert whatever you want. So if you have USD, you could go ahead and convert that into Ethereum. So let's just check. So you could go ahead and buy Ethereum, and then from there you can go ahead and withdraw directly from your wallet. So if we go to Ethereum, click withdraw. And so they support Arbitrum, Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. But like I said before, Arbitrum is the key network that you want to be looking at, because Arbitrum allows you to do transactions for very cheap. Now, hopefully GameStop will add this network soon, because Arbitrum is becoming one of the best layer 2s to do transactions on. Now, another exchange that you can fund your wallet with is Voyager, and they offer $25 on sign up. They offer $25 in Bitcoin if you sign up, and I'll have the link down below. And you can go ahead and fund your wallet from Voyager the same way as you could with FTX, and then you also have Coinbase as well. So you have Coinbase, and you can go ahead and set it up. There's also if you sign up, you could get $10 in Bitcoin if you want to do that, and I will also have a link for that. But all of these exchanges are basically just on ramps for you to go ahead and fund your wallet so that you could go ahead and start doing transactions. But hopefully this helped you guys out. I think GameStop Wallet is very interesting. I cannot wait to see what they add. But I mean, this is fantastic, especially seeing more and more companies get involved in crypto. But GameStop is a very big company, and a lot of people are interested. So go ahead, test out all these exchanges, especially with this new wallet that you guys are getting acquainted with. This is a very nice wallet. I'm very eager to see what exactly GameStop plans on doing. I know they mentioned NFTs and whatnot, but I mean, there's so many things they could do, but I'm also interested in what they're going to do with the fees that they earn off of their swapping feature. So let's see exactly what's going to happen in their earnings report, which is going to be coming out in a few quarters, because by then we'll start to see how many fees that they actually earn off of this swap feature. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.